this video where today I'll be sharing a powerful prayer and 4 effective solutions to heal your money problems and remove money blocks from your life permanently. If you've been struggling financially and haven't found a solution yet, this video is for you. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Nirmala Agarwal, a life coach, and aiming to assist you to improve every area of your life, including health, relationship, money and career. My mission is to help people heal their past traumas and manifest a life filled with meaning, abundance and purpose. Now let's start with the mind map that will outline the important solutions we'll be discussing. But first, let's take a moment to understand what money really is. Money is a form of energy, a unit of exchange. In the past, we used bartering systems where goods were traded for other goods. The concept of money came into play to represent the value of a product, service, or anything useful in society. It is just exchange. It is still a bartering. Money, we give money and we get something instead of it. So it's important to remember that money cannot be created. It can only be exchanged for something of equivalent value. So it is still a bartering system. Now here's a key concept to grasp. The universe is like a mirror. You attract what you are. If you are stressed or worried, you attract more of the same. If you're financially struggling and if you're continuously thinking about your debts or how will I make it, I don't have a career, I don't have a job, I have to start my business, but how do I do it? So understanding, you'll attract more of that. So if you're financially struggling, you're not attracting financial opportunities. So understanding that money is energy and the universe mirrors your mindset, let's explore the 4 solutions to overcome your money challenges. So the very first solution is to give first. To receive, you must give. This is my mantra. So to receive, always, anything you want to receive, you need to give first. So if you are thinking, oh, but I don't have money, how do I give? So whatever you have, except I have this. It's not necessary that you give money to people. There are so many things that you can share with people. Money flows to those who provide value. Provide value to people in whatever ways you can. Donate to charity and invest in your personal development. By giving and spending wisely, you increase your own value and attract abundance. So the second solution is start valuing things that are paid. We are always going in for free, and don't want to pay for anything. So if you are doing anything like if you've started some service or some business, people will always look for free. Why will they want to buy your products? Understand the law of conservation of energy. If you want to receive money, you must recognize the value of what others are offering. Don't compare paid products or services to free alternatives. Value what is paid and be willing to invest in valuable resources. Keep that in mind. The third solution is come out of the redemption mode. When you pay for a service, don't try to extract more value what was agreed upon. Trust that the universe will reciprocate your investment. Being in a redemption mindset creates desperation and scarcity, which repels abundance. So we have this habit of asking for some freebies. I have already purchased this, please give this to me free. So refrain from that. So now the 4th solution is pay for something valuable by borrowing. If you're financially struggling, consider borrowing money from family, friends or banks to invest in your personal growth. Newton's first law states that you need an external force to move from a state of rest. By seeking help and investing in yourself, you create opportunities for financial growth. So friends, keep learning these 4 solutions. Just keep in mind, and let's move forward. Now let's move on to the powerful oponopono prayer technique. This is a very powerful technique, trust me. Just try it once. Close your eyes. I'll be giving you a live experience right now. Just close your eyes, take a deep breath, and place your right hand over your heart and repeat the following affirmations. Take another deep breath and exhale from your mouth. Take one more deep breath and exhale from your mouth. I'm sure you're experiencing calm. Your mind is calm. And repeat with me. Keep your eyes closed and repeat with me. I take 100% responsibility for my finances. I am sorry for asking money when I was not ready for the energy exchange. Please forgive me for creating feelings of scarcity and desperation around money. Thank you for reminding me that I have the right to financial abundance. I love attracting more money into my life by adding 10x more value to the world. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm extremely sorry, money, for not realizing. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm extremely sorry, money, for not realizing that I'm creating feelings of scarcity and desperation around you. You were always around, but I could never sense you. I always created thoughts of scarcity into my life. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for always being fearful and thinking that you never come to me. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for always creating doubt and confusion around you. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for asking money when I was not ready for the exchange. Please forgive me for creating feelings of scarcity and desperation around money. Thank you, money, for reminding me that I have the right to financial abundance. Thank you, universe, for reminding me. Thank you, this video, for reminding me that I have the right to financial abundance. I love attracting more money and I'm ready for it into my life by adding 10x more value to the world. I promise I'll add value to the world. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Open your eyes slowly. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Now rub your hands. Rub your hands and place your palms on your eyes. Spread the energy on your face, your head, your hands, and the entire body. How do you feel? I'm sure it's a very calming experience, and I think the fear around money is not as much now. So if you practice this, it's very powerful and it is miraculous. I'm sure you'll have some results to share with me. By understanding these concepts and implementing the solutions provided, you will gain clarity on the root causes of the financial struggles and open the doors to financial abundance. I'm very sure. Stay committed on your personal growth and the value you bring to the world. Together, we can overcome money blocks and manifest a life of abundance. If you find this video valuable, please like this video and share it with people who are stuck financially. Share it with at least 3 people from your family and friends. I'm sure it will help them too. Because when you help people achieve success, the universe helps you personally to achieve success in your own life. So this was the mantra, remember. If you have any questions regarding this technique, this video, comment below. I will surely reply to every comment. Now don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because I'll be uploading a lot of valuable videos and you'll be getting notifications instantly if you hit the bell icon. And do comment how do you like my video, because that will give me motivation to create more such videos. So looking forward to see you in my next video. Thank you.